Hello guys, today we will learn about plant product. Plant products are divided into two parts. Then second parts we will discuss about in next videos. Content. Then first content is fiber. Fibers include cotton, jute and hemp. These are the drugs included in the fibers. Then hallucinogens. Third is teratogens. Fourth is natural allergens. These four parts we will discuss about in these videos. Introduction. Many plant cells from the natural fibers that strengthen and support the plant. The same properties make them perfect for textile and paper. Timber from trees is used to build boats, houses and furniture. Palm leaves are woven into baskets, hats and mats. People also extract perfume oil and natural dyes from flowers and leaves of certain plants. Then plant produce long group of cell called as fibers. This can be used to make textile such as cotton as well as other material such as paper or felt. All plant fibers are strong because their cell wall contains two molecules called as cellulose. But to be useful, fibers also needs other properties such as flexibility and length. Then fibers, elongated thick wall cell with pointed ends. Elongated thick walled cell with pointed ends. Cell wall consists of cellulose, may or may not contain lignin, commonly used as a surgical dressing in medical field, also used as clothes, as filtering media, insulation purpose. And then this is the image of fibers. Fibers can be obtained from the various sources, can be categorized follows. Plant fibers like jute, flax, banana, cotton, hemp. Animal fibers like silk, wool. Regenerated and synthetic fibers. In this there are divided. Regenerated and synthetic fibers are divided. Then first is fiber regenerated from carbohydrate material like alginate, yarn, artificial silk or rayon, or regenerated cellulose. Second is fiber regenerated from protein materials. First is fibers regenerated from carbohydrate material. Then second is fibers regenerated from protein materials. Aridil from groundnut, proteins and fibrillin. Then third is synthetic, then nylon, terylene, orolon. Then mineral fibers, glass, asbestos. Then next is cotton. First drug is cotton. Then synonym of cotton is raw cotton, absorbent cotton, surgical cotton. Biological source is epidermal trichomes or hair of seeds of Gossypium species, family Malvaceae. Is the cotton, the image of the cotton, raw material of the cotton. Then methods of preparation of cotton. Fruits are called as capsule, 3-5 cell and contain many seeds. Balls are collected manually or by machine, cotton picker, cotton stripper. Dried and then taken to ginny press. Long and short fibers are separated. Short linters are used for making cloth, while short for manufacturing of absorbent cotton. The raw cotton contains impurity like wax, fat, coloring matter, etc. Proceed. Taken to cotton opener, then add dilute soda solution under the pressure for 10 to 15 hours, then wash with water, then add suitable bleaching solution, then also wash with water, then again and dried. Finally packed in wrappers and sterilized by gamma rays. Description. Colors are white due to bleaching. Then odors are odorless. Taste is tasteless. Size. Cotton fibers are 2.5 to 4.5 centimeter in length and 25 to 35 micron in diameter. Then standards. Absorbent cotton wool IP has the following standards. First is length of staples not less than 15 mm. Water soluble extractive not more than 0.5%. Sulfated ash is not less than 0.5%. Then chemical constituent. 90% cellulose, 7 to 8% moisture, wax, fat and remaining of protoplasm. Purified cotton entirely cellulose, 6.7% is moisture. Then chemical taste. First taste is fibers plus iodine in water, then dry, then add few drops of 80% sulfuric acid. Then purplish blue or bluish green color. Observe, then its fiber is present. Then taste is positive for fibers. Then next is fibers plus dilute NaOH or HCl. It will be insoluble, then it is a positive taste for fibers. Fibers plus 66% H2SO4 sulfuric acid, then it's soluble, it will be positive for fibers. Fibers plus Q-Zone solution. Ammonia Q-oxide is also called as ammonia Q-oxides. Then this fibers plus Q-Zone solution, then it will be raw cotton, then dissolve with formation of balloons. Then it will be purified cotton, dissolved with uniform swelling. Then uses as a filtering media, in surgical dressing, insulating material, absorbent cotton, absorb bloods, mucus, pus and prevent wounds from infection. Then it will be the image for the cotton used in the medical purpose. Then next is jute. Synonym gunny. Biological source. It consists of phloem fibers of the stem of various species of the Quercus family Tiliaceae. Geographical sources is the plant producing jutes are cultivated in West Bengal in the basins and Assam. The jute plants grow successfully in areas having loamy alluvial soil with pH value 6 to 8, then it will be image for jute. Preparation, methods of preparation. Then the plants grow well in alluvial soil which is a types of soil, then and required with damp and warm climate. Jute fibers are prepared in the month of July when the plants are flowering stage. The stems are cut, leaves are removed, and stems are tied into bundles. These stems bundles are submerged into water tank or pool for 10 to 21 days and covered with straw to protect from direct sun rays. This process is called as retting. The retting process facilitates the separation of the dark from the wood and the strands of phloem fibers from the surrounding softened tissue. The fibers separated from the wood by beating the ends of steam. The separated fibers are cleaned by jerking them backwards and forward on the surface water. The fibers are dried and bleached by hanging them with sun. The jute fibers are graded according to its color, strength and length. The fibers are white to brown and 1 to 4 mm long. Then chemical test. First is chemical constituent. The fibers are yellowish brown in color and contain cellulose 53%, hemicellulose 20% and lignin 10%. Then chemical test. The middle lamella is highly liquefied and gives red color with fluoroglycinol and hydrochloric acid. Then indicate the presence of lignin. Uses. It is used in the manufacturing of toss, stupa, tanding spins, filtering and staining media. Jute fibers are used for the preparation of coarse bags, gunny bags. Then next drug is hemp. Synonym of hemp is cannabis indica, Indian hemp, ganja, charas, marijuana. Biological sources. Cannabis consists of dried flowering and fruiting tops of the pistillate plants of Cannabis sativa. Belongs to family Cannabinaceae. Geographical sources. Tropical parts of India as Maharashtra, North India, Bengal, also Africa and America. It is the image of the hemp. Then uses. First is chemical constituent. Resin, cannabidiol, cannabidiolic acid, cannabinol, cannabigirol, cannabichromine and tetrahydrocannabinol THC. Then volatile oils and trigonylene. Then choline. It will be the chemical constituent. Then uses. Hemp is used to make a variety of commercial and industrial products including ropes, cloths, foods, paper, textile, plastic, insulation and biofuel. Then next part is then fiber containing cotton, hemp, jutes. It will be finished. And the next part is hallucinogens. Hallucinogens are the natural and synthetic substances that when ingested significantly alter one's state of consciousness. Hallucinogenic compounds often cause people to see or think they see random colors, patterns, events, and objects to do exist. People sometimes have a different prescription of time and spare, hold imaginary conversations, believe they hear music and experiences smell, taste, and other sensations that are not real. The other names of hallucinogens are cartoon acid, macrodoc and magic mushrooms. Many types of substances are classified as hallucinogens solely because their capacity to produce such a hallucination. These substances are sometimes called as cyclic or mind expanding drugs. They are generally illegal to use in United States, but are sometimes sold on street by drug dealer. A few hallucinogens have been used in medicine to treat certain disorders, but they must be given under controlled circumstances. Hallucinogens found in plants and mushrooms were used by humans for many centuries in spiritual practices worldwide. The actual cases of such hallucinogens are chemical substances in the plants. People had such a varied reaction in these substances, especially to lysergic acid, diethylamide, that it is virtually impossible to predict the effect of hallucinogens that will have on any given individuals. Effect depends on mood, surrounding, personality and expression while taking the drugs. Natural hallucinogens. Psychoactive plants including Pituctus, various species of mushroom and the bark seeds of several trees and plants, marijuana and hashish, two substances derived from the hemp plants. Their effect include a feeling of relaxation, faster heart rate and sensation that time is passing more slowly and hearing, taste, touch and smell. Then medicinal uses of hallucinogens. Hallucinogens have been studied for medical uses, including the treatment of some forms of mental illness, alcoholism and addiction of drug opium. They have also been given to dying patient. Tetrahydrocannabinol (THC) used by the cancer patients who suffer from severe nausea after receiving chemotherapy. THC tetrahydrocannabinol is also used to reduce eye pressure in treating severe cases of glaucoma. Penicillin (PCD) is occasionally used by veterinary as an anesthesia and sedative for animal. Some of the important hallucinogens are follows: belladonna, califora, poppy, fennel, henbane, lobelia, nutmeg. Some of the important drugs for used in hallucinogens. Then next is teratogens. Teratogens are these agents can cause birth defect by permanently altering the structures and or functions of organs exposed to the during development. These agents can be cause a birth defect by permanently altering the structure and or functions of organs exposed to the during development. If a plant teratogenic toxins has to exert in effect, it was to be present in a high enough dose, have the ability to cross placenta and manifest its effect during the specific time of gestations. These toxins can even cause vascular destruction, oxidative stress, and can target specific receptors and enzymatic site and cause endocrine and CNS disruption and may affect a single anatomical features of entire system. Then is the birth defect. Teratogen agent, it will cause birth defect by permanently altering the structure functions of the organ exposed during the development. Suspected teratogenetic plants. Datura Elipland in 1973 speculated that an outer break of arthrogryphosis in newborn pigs in canas was due to the maternal injection of the plant Datura strontium during the second and third month of pregnancy. Furthermore, after the plant was eradicated, no cases turned up the following years. Then, cyanogenetic glycoside containing plants. Glycoside containing plants. Other two plants are sorghum sardines and Permus serotyne cause livestock of deformities. Then factors that influences the teratogenesis include: first is lupus. Lupus contains, it's also called food and health related uses. Second is Senecio, contains biocides in the forms of alkaloids. Third is Veratrum, used in cancer treatment but can cyclopamine. Third is Vinca roses, contain vinblastine and vincristin, used for chemotherapy. Fifth is sorghum, used for food and biofuel. Sixth is Indigofia spicata, used as an analgesic and anti-inflammatory drugs. Seventh is astragalus, used in herbal medicine. Eighth is colchicum atonus, used in medicine and cancer treatment. Datura stromium, used in asthma treatment. Then natural allergens. Next part is natural allergens. Natural allergens caused due to the pollens, dust mites, molds. Introduction. Allergens are inacting agents of allergy, that is the substance capable of sanitizing the body in such a way that unusual response occurs in hypersensitivity person. It may be a biological, chemical or synthetic origin. The substance such as pollens, danders, dust as a natural allergens. Allergens are proteins or glycoproteins. Following are predisposing factors which make the person hypersensitive to allergens: hereditary tendency to allergic response, dysfunctions of endocrine glands, increased excitability of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, absorption of metabolic and catabolic substances, hepatic dysfunction, psychic influenza. Then inhalant allergens. Types of allergens containing inhalant allergens, ingestant allergens, injectant allergens. Second is injectant and then injectant. Contactant allergens. Fourth is contactant allergens. Fifth is infectant allergens. Inhalant allergens. Inhalant allergens are the airborne substances as a chemical causing respiratory diseases, inflammation in nose and lungs. Inhalation allergens caused by environmental factors such as pollen, pet, house, dust, mites and molds. Then symptoms: sneezing, lacrimation, coughing and postnasal drip, itching eyes, nose and throat, allergic shiner, allergic salute, watering eyes, conjunctivitis. Then second is injectant allergens. Allergens which are present in foodstuff and solid are termed injectant. Food allergy. A food allergy is an immune system response to a food. When the foods are digested and the nutrients are absorbed substances in the food. Injectant allergens called as injectant allergens, stimulating allergic response. These reactions cause a number of allergic symptoms. Some most common food allergic injectants by the patients are milk, egg, peanut, tree, nut, fish, shellfish, soy, wheat, orange juice, cod liver oil, etc. Symptoms: food allergens ordinarily cause GIT symptoms, but they may cause skin rash, puffed lips and tongue, migraine, rhinitis, bronchial asthma, severe case of eczema of hands. Then is the image of flashing skin rash. The next is injectant allergens. Injectant allergens. The injectants, injectable preparation and insects cause allergy in hypersensitive person. Allergic condition is known as injectant allergy. Symptoms: itching of palms of hand and soles of feet, erythema, peeling of skin. The natural source of injectable allergens are produced by the sightings of bees, hornets and wasps. In addition to penicillin product, other injectable that may cause allergic are liver extract, antitoxin and the glandular products. Contactant allergens. A number of plants and their products have been identified as the cause of contact allergies. The plants most responsible for the contact dermatitis in North America belongs to the Anacardiaceae family, include the position, walk, sumac. The allergens components of these plants called as phenolic compounds, also called as aerosols, are found in the oleoresin fractions and are derivatives of the penta-decyclated or hepta-decyclated col. Then next is infectant allergens. Allergy caused by the metabolic product of living microorganism in the human body. The contextual presence of certain types of bacteria, protozoa, molds, helminths and other parasites in the body of human beings are responsible for the chronic infection. In such a patient, bacterial metabolic waste are considered to be the infectant allergens. Then if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.